Johnny, oh my Johnny, don't you leave. On the banks of the roses, me love and I sat down. I dug out big fiddle for me love to play a tune. And in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. On the banks of the roses, me love and I sat down. I dug out big fiddle for me love to play a tune. And in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. Father say that he would rather see me dead and buried in the clay sooner than be married to any runaway. By the lovely sweet banks of the roses, on the banks of the roses, me love and I sat down. I took out me fiddle for me love to play a tune, and in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. And in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. On the banks of the roses, me love and I sat down. I took out me fiddle for me love to play a tune. And in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. Oh my Johnny,
Let's learn Oh My Johnny. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly and Maggie Gallagher. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Oh My Johnny. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to stomp your right foot to the right side and hold. We're now going to weave, crossing left behind right, right to the side, cross left over right. You're now going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, rocking your right foot into the 130 diagonal. Recover back onto your left. You're going to step your right foot next to your left and slightly back, and place your left heel forward into the diagonal and do a double clap. Let's try that with some counts. Stopping to the side. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to quickly step our left next to our right. We're now going to rock our right foot forward into the 130 diagonal, recover back onto your left. We're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step your left next to your right. You're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face the 730 diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot forward into the 730 diagonal, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, returning to 130 with your weight on your right foot. You're going to step your left foot slightly forward, and we're going to scuff our right heel, making an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our double clap, so your left heel is forward. We're going to quickly step that left next to our right. And 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to cross our right over our left and we're going to hold. You're now going to quickly step your left foot to the left side and place your right heel into the diagonal and hold. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left, cross your left over your right and step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and step your left foot to the side, but slightly forward. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just scuffed. You're crossing over 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do toe switches. You're going to point your right toe to the right side and hold. You're now going to quickly step your right next to your left and place your left toe to the left side and hold. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right, and we're going to do a rocking chair forward. Rock forward right, recover back on your left, rock back with your right, recover forward on your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. You're pointing. It's 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's practice it facing the front, one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're stomping to the right. Stomp, hold, behind side, cross diagonal rock. Recover, ball, heel, clap, clap, ball, rock. Recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, step, 8 scuff, cross. Hold, ball, heel, hold, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, point, hold, step, point, hold, step, rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, stepping your right foot to the side. 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's talk about the tag. It happens one time only. You'll be doing the 4th rotation of the dance. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. You'll dance the full 32 counts, coming back to 12 o'clock. For the last 8 counts, the music's going to slightly change. For the toe points, it's going to drop out and you won't hear a lot of the music. You're going to keep dancing through it, do the whole 32 counts, and then add on this tag. So we would have just done our rocking chair. We're going to do 2-step half pivot. So you're going to step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, return to 12 o'clock. Now, Maggie and Gary like to add some extra in, so when you do those half pivots, you can go woo, woo, if you would like to, and kind of swing that arm around and make some noise and have a lot of fun while you do it. So let's just practice that tag with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're doing your half pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll go right into the dance and start all over again doing wall 5. There is a slight ending in the dance. You're going to end facing the side wall. Your last wall is wall 9, so you'll be dancing the front. You'll end up facing 9 o'clock. You're going to dance 30 counts of the dance, which is leaving off the last part of the rocking chair. So we would do our 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to make that quarter turn over your right shoulder. So you're going to start with your rock forward, recover, then you're going to make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock, stomp your left next to your right, and that is the ending. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition between the tag and the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stomping to the right. Stomp, hold, behind side, cross, diagonal rock. Recover, ball, heel, clap, clap, ball, rock. Recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, step, 8 scuff, cross. Hold, side, heel, hold, step, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, point, hold, step, point, hold, step, rocking chair, start over, 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, hold, weep, behind side, cross, diagonal rock, recover, ball, heel, clap, clap, ball, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, step, 8 scuff, stomp, hold and heel, hold and cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, point, hold, step, point, hold step, rocking chair at the end of this wall. You're going to do your tag. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp. Hold behind side cross diagonal rock. Recover ball heel, ball rock, recover. Half shuffle, step half pivot, step 8 scuff and cross. Hold side heel, hold step cross side quarter sailor step. Point, hold step point. Hold in your rocking chair. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance all the way through till wall 9. Leave off the last part of the rocking chair, making a quarter turn, and end the dance by stomping your left next to your right. Now that you've got the dance down, you've done it with the tutorial, scroll to the end and practice with the rear facing demo so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helps you learn Oh My Johnny. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Johnny, oh my Johnny, don't you leave. On the banks of the roses, me love a nice at them. I took out big fiddle for me love to play a tune, and in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. On the banks of the roses, me love a nice at them. I took out big fiddle for me love to play a tune, and in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. Well, when I was just a young one, I heard my father say that he would rather see me dead and buried in the clay sooner than be married to any runaway. By the lovely sweet banks of the roses, on the banks of the roses, me love a nice at them. I took out me fiddle for me love to play a tune, and in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. Then in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. Then in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. On the banks of the roses, me love a nice at them. I took out me fiddle for me love to play a tune, and in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh my Johnny, don't you leave me. Oh my Johnny, then in the middle of the tune, she smiled and she said, oh